Good morning, everyone. Well, today I received my package. Number contestant number 33. First time winning in the 10K giveaway from Island Shippers. And yes, this is what I got today. These are kitchen mats, spray bottle, vegetable slicer, bathroom brush, and to hang your glasses, drinking glass, wine glass, and a calendar. Well, we normally call it strainer, but calendar call it. So I'm number 33 contestant winner of the Island Shipper 10K giveaway. And I recommend this shipping company to every and anyone. Best shipping company, fast, reliable, very responsive when it's come on to like text messages or any query you want to know. Very much. So again, number 33 to winner. And yes, you guys to enter can just sign up with Island Shippers. Refer 3 somebody, upload your tier and your ID, and you don't have to ship with them to be a winner. You just sign up and refer 3 somebody, and you're good to go.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.